As students today, so we are going to learn, we are going to discuss about data handling. Data handling. So what is we are going to discuss, what is we are going to learn, what concepts we are going to learn in this chapter. See here. So about the data we are going to discuss. Data means maybe, so it is the school data, official data and population data, whatever the data. So the data how to represent using pictograph. Many graphs we have, so to represent the data, so using pictograph, using bar graph, using histogram. So and so many data, many methods are there to represent the data. Okay, how to represent the data? So that complete information, so and so particular school, particular office, particular population of the country, then population of the world, year to year, how it increase, how it decrease. So all the data, so how to represent using so bar graph, pictograph. So that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, students, see here. So what are the points we are going to discuss? So the first is interpreting data. So means how to represent data. So what are the methods? So we are going to represent a data, and in the pictograph, how to represent the data using pictograph. These concepts we are going to discuss. Okay. So in the review exercise, one bar graph is given. So in this bar graph, so some children they like so fruits. So children they like fruits. So how many fruits are there here? Apple, banana, different 5 different fruits are given. So apple, banana, mango, orange and grapes. So here number of students on horizontal line. So this is horizontal line. So on the horizontal line, so we took different types of fruits. On the vertical line, number of children we took. So this is the horizontal line and this is the vertical line. Okay. So on the horizontal line, so different types of fruits so we took, and here number of students on vertical line. Okay. Now here see, so this is first apple. How many students? First you read a question first. How many children like apples? See here, apple means this is apple column. So this is apple bar. So where is the apple bar here? 10. Exactly, it's straight 10. Straight 10 means 10. 10 children like apples. How many children? 10. 10 children like apples. How many children? 10 children like apples. So see here. So the length of the bar graph we check. So this bar length we should check. So where it is? It is at 10. This means 10 children they like apples. Okay. The next question. So which fruit was liked the most? So in these 5 fruits, apple, banana, mango, orange and grapes. In these 5 different fruits, which fruit is mostly liked? So here, so which bar is means the length of the bar is more, means highest bar is this one. This is the length of the mango bar is highest one, means so this mango fruit is liked more. So mango fruit, which fruit? Mango. Most of the students they like mango. So how to say, so which fruit means first, so in this total 5 bars, so which bar length is highest one? So that means that fruit the children liked more. Okay. Here mango bar means mango. So that bar is so the bar length is so more than the remaining bars. So mango fruit liked most. Okay. The next one. How many children liked oranges? Here oranges. This is oranges bar. This is so on the orange bar where it is exactly? It is at 7. Means 7. So we have to check the length of the bar. So here at 7. The length of the bar is at 7, means 7 children. 7 children. So they like oranges. They like oranges. Next. So were grapes liked more than bananas? Banana. Here banana and grapes. So compare these two. This one and this one. Compare these two. What he is asking? So were grapes liked more than bananas? More than bananas? No, less than bananas. So the grape is less than this banana height. So less than banana height. So what is the banana? So banana is at 8 and grape is at 4, means less. It is less. So were grapes liked more? Grapes liked less, not more. So it is no. Answer is no. The next one, how many children liked mangoes more than bananas? Mangoes and bananas. First mango, how many? So here mango 12. 12 mangoes and 10 bananas. How many children liked mangoes more than bananas? Means 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10. That is 2 children. 2 children liked apples, means so 2 children more 2 children liked more than apples, means if we compare mangoes and apples, so mangoes, number of mangoes, 12 children they liked 12 mangoes, 12 children they liked mangoes, and apple, so 10 students they like, then 10 children they liked apples. Then how many more children they liked mangoes? Means 2 more children they liked mangoes. Okay, if we compare with apples. Okay, so these are the answers. Okay, so now the students, in the next concept, interpreting data. So what is actually data means? Data. So here the definition of a data, see, so data is a collection of information. So whatever the information, so that information if we collect, so the information may be the people or things. The collection of information about people or things, that is called data. That is called data. So then, so how to represent data? By using pictograph, by using bar graph. So that is the different thing. First, what is the data? So what is the data means? Data means collection of the collection of information. So different information in a school. So different information, so means what information is there in the school? Attendance information. So and after that, so present absent information. So and so marks information. So how much, so the score, student score. So that information. So many information. So that is belongs to school. And the same the information about the population of a country, population of a state, population of a city. So this information, collection of population information, or collection of different things means, so like, so if in a school, so they purchase different types of books, means for a library, so comics, novels, and so puzzle books, so different types of books they purchased. Then how many books they purchased, that collection of information, this all the information so comes under the data. So what is the data? Data is the collection of, so the collection of information about people or things. Okay, that is called data. Okay, yes students. Yes students, see here, so in this question what he has given, Kiran and Pinky. So both saw some flowers in the garden. So in the garden what they did, they saw some flowers. Kiran and Pinky. So they saw some flowers in the garden and they made a chart. They prepared this chart. This chart they prepared. So flowers. So the heading, so they wrote flowers. What is the heading? Flowers. So what they saw. So first, red roses. How many red roses they saw? 20 red roses. 20 red roses they saw. Pink roses, 15 pink roses they saw. And lily, how many lily flowers they saw? 12 lily flowers. Okay, and sunflowers, how many sunflowers? 16 sunflowers this one. Okay, so red roses 20, so pink roses 15, lily flowers 12, sunflowers 16 this one. So then after that what he has given. So look at the answers. Here some answers are given. So look at the answers drawn from the data. From these data, so he gave some answer based on that related question. So once you check either the answers are correct or not. Okay. See here. How many roses did they see? How many roses? How many roses? Roses means whatever. Either it is a red, either it is a pink. Red or pink, complete we should add. Roses means the combination of these two. Pink roses and red roses. Add pink and red. So add like 20 plus 15, 20 plus 15. Add 20 plus 15. Now 0 plus 5 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 35. Total how many roses they saw? 35. So okay, when he asked how many roses they saw means just we add roses, red roses and pink roses. So okay, complete rose flowers we should add. So then add, then you will get 35. Like this we will get our answer. Okay. The next question, how many pink roses did they see? Only pink roses he is asking. How many pink roses? Here pink roses, how many pink roses are there here? 15. 15 pink roses they see. They saw. How? Who? Pinky and Kiran. So 15. So this is also right answer. Next after that, how many flowers did they see all together? All together means all these flowers he is asking. So all these flowers, how many flowers they see? So that means add all these flowers. 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. 13 means 3 in one's place and 1 we should take carry over here. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6, 63. Total how many flowers? 63 flowers. Total 63 flowers they see all together. Okay. So like this we answer all these questions. Okay. Now the concept about pictograph. So what is a pictograph? So what is a pictograph? So here pictograph means, so whatever the information, so we are going to represent using a pictures. Using pictures is called pictograph. Using pictures. If we represent a data using pictures, so that is a pictograph. Suppose, so you visit your school garden, so then you saw different flowers. So that different flowers you are representing using a pictures, then that is your pictograph. If suppose if you visited zoo park, then you represent your data using different animals, drawing with different animals. So that is a pictograph. So basically what is a pictograph? Pictograph means the information, the data. So whatever we are going to represent, that should be in pictures, then that is called pictograph. Okay students. Now students, so in first example, interpret the following pictograph to answer the questions that follows. Here pictograph is given. Pictograph in a picture, so number of animals are given. So how many animals, different kinds of animals? 5 different kinds of animals given. So in the first column it is given bear. So the second monkeys, then elephants, then after that camel, then after that rabbit. So 5 different kinds of animals are given. See here, if you see, say in a pictograph, so in the picture he represent the animals, number of animals. In a pictograph, first what he has given, so the number of birds are given. So how many birds are there? So 1, 2, 3, 3 birds are there. So then in second, how many monkeys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 monkeys. Then how many elephants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elephants. 5 elephants. Then after that, how many camels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 camels are there. Then after that, at last column, how many rabbits were there? So 1, 2. Only 2 rabbits were there. How many rabbits were there? Only 2 rabbits were there. Then after that, here in the first question, the population of which animal is highest? The population in these 5 animals, so which given in a pictograph, the 5 different kinds of animals are given, no? So in this, which animal population is highest one? So in the highest, monkeys, okay. So monkey, the monkey population is highest. The answer is monkey. Monkeys population is highest population, monkeys are highest in population, okay. Then second question, how many bear are there in a zoo? How many? So it is very easy to say, so count and say 1, 2, 3. In the first column it is given, how many bears are there? 1, 2, 3, 3. So answer is 3 is our answer, okay. The next, the number of which animal is more? Here 2 animals, bears and elephant. If we compare bears and elephants, so highest population, which one is highest in population? So number of bears only 3 and elephants 5 elephants are there. So then in highest population 5 is higher, so then elephant. So answer elephant, okay. Next question, how many rabbits are there in the zoo? How many rabbits? In the last column it is given, how many rabbits are there? Only 2 rabbits were there. So the answer is 2. The answer is 2. 2 is the answer, okay. The next, the number of which animal is less? Rabbit or monkeys? Rabbits or monkeys. If we compare rabbits or monkeys, 10 monkeys are given, 10 monkeys are there and 2 rabbits were there. So then if we compare monkeys and rabbits are less. The less one, so rabbits, that is rabbit, okay. These are our answers. First we should understand the pictograph, then after that, based on that pictograph, he asked some questions, we should answer, okay, according to the data. Now the students, see here in example 2, so what is given? Aditya decided to conduct a study on most popular car color, okay. He want to study more popular car color, okay. So what he did? He stood outside his house and recorded the observation. So whatever he is observing, so that he recorded. He recorded about 50 cars passed from there. So 50 cars passed from there. So he recorded about 50 cars. So observation is given, complete observation, so that is given by pictograph. So he observed so and so car, so that is red color cars, green color, blue color, not blue color, purple color, orange color and black color cars. So serial wise it is given. So total 5 color cars he observed. How many? 5 colored cars he observed. So once you count how many red color cars he observed. Once you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Red color cars, 16 red color cars he observed. Okay, he recorded 16 red color cars. Okay, after that green color cars. Once you count green color cars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 green color cars. Next, how many purple color cars? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 purple color cars. Next, how many orange color cars? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 orange color cars. Next, how many black color cars? Once you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 black color cars. 14 black color cars. Here So the cars are blue color cars. It is given blue color cars. Okay. So that is not possible. Blue color cars. Okay. How many blue color cars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. So 5 blue color cars. Now here the questions he asked based on the pictograph. Okay. How many total cars did Aditya count? Total cars already he has given here only. So 50 cars. Total how many cars? 50 cars. How many cars he counted? Total 50. If you want, then add all the cars and say what is the answer. Okay. Now, how many blue cars did Aditya count? Blue color cars. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blue color cars he counted. Then, how many green cars did Aditya counted? Green color cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 green color cars he counted. 12 green color cars. Next, after that. So, what is the most popular color car according to his observation? According to his observation, so which color car he counted most? That is red color. Red color are 16 red color cars. So, red is the most popular color according to his study. Then, so what is the least popular color car according to his observation? Least means least number of cars. So, which one is the least in number? So, that is orange. Orange is the least popular car. Orange color car is the least popular color. Okay. So, in this way, so first we observe the data, then after that, so based on the data, if you ask some questions, the first you understand the observation and answer that questions. Okay. Now students, here, so once you see this first question, how many total cars did Aditya count? Total cars, how many cars he counted? Here we took 50, but here about 50 is given. According to this, about 50 means nearly, see, observed 50 cars means approximate 50. So here in this answer we should give accurate answer. So if we find the total all the cars, so if we count red color, green color, blue color, orange color and black color cars, if we count, so then we will get total 51 cars. Then how many cars he counted? 51 here. Here 51 is the answer. 51 is the answer. Total 51 cars he counted. Okay students. Okay.